Hello St. Mark families. I'm Kurt Gosdick, Vice Principal at St. Mark Lutheran School and leading the bathroom renovations at our Green Bay campus. We are now in the bidding process of the project and have a conceptual view of what our new bathrooms will look like. Up to this point, we have raised $142,000, so we are just about halfway there. If we raise all $300,000, we can complete the entire renovation. We also have a $20,000 match fund going on. We need just $11,000 more for that match to be met. We fully understand that this giving campaign is not in everyone's giving back to God budget. But you'd be amazed what an even extra $20 or $200 could make in meeting that match goal. Would you consider giving toward this project? We have a no fees online giving link on our website, stmls.org, or give online on our church website, stmarkministries.com/giving, and choose Bathroom Project in the pull-down menu. Special thanks to the partners who have already contributed to this renovation and to you who will contribute in the near future. Thank you immensely for helping get our Green Bay campus and school up to date with this very much needed bathroom project.